Hi friends, welcome to AI with Durga Sir. Just for
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. Well, so in the last sessions, yesterday's session is really wonderful because the reason for that is every day some concept we are discussing. But yesterday, luckily, from day one of prompt engineering until self-consistency prompts, just a small revision happened. Have you observed, right? Okay, with that MCQs, a small revision happened. What about zero prompt, zero shot prompt, one shot prompt, few shot prompt? Next, what about reflection, self-consistency? Next, TOT, COT. What about COT? Chain of thinking like auto, manual. Like we had multiple things. A small revision happened, right? Now the next cinema. Beautiful concept. In day to day, really in the decision making, this prompting is going to be very helpful. Forget about your job related, even in your day to day. Multiple times happily you can depend on this type of prompting. What is this one is TOT. What is that? Can you please spell out? What is that, sir? TOT. TOT prompting. TOT prompting. What is that TOT?
Tree of thoughts.
Tree of
Tree of
thoughts.
thoughts.
Tree of thoughts. So a tree has multiple branches. Correct, right? Tree has multiple branches. Multiple branches are there. We will analyze each branch, pros and cons, and then from these branches, we will select best branch and we will expand them. Remember this one. So we have multiple options are there. Among these options, okay, we will select the best option and we will expand that option. Is by default considered as tree of thoughts. TOT prompting. Okay, why it is the tree? Because multiple options, multiple branches are there. Okay, we are going to select one branch and we will expand. That's why the name itself is a tree of thoughts. Okay, like now, sir, can you please give one layman example so that we can understand very easily, like you people may ask. Sir, every day today, believe me, this type of thing we are always using. Okay, best example. How many times you use Google Maps?
Several times.
Multiple times. If you are going some unknown place, compulsory you are going to depend on Google Map only. Okay, Google Map only. Or otherwise, suppose if you are going even in the known also, how much distance is there remaining? How much time is going to take? To know that at least Google Maps we are always going to use. So in the Google Maps, is it going to show only one path or is it going to show multiple paths? Observe carefully.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Wait, Raju. Is it going to show multiple paths or is it going to show only one path?
Multiple paths.
Multiple paths it's going to show, and it's going to tell that clearly, okay, this path 2 minutes a delay, this path having 175 rupees toll gate, something like it is going to highlight the pros and the cons of that path also. Okay, if you choose this path, then automatically the distance is it's 275 kilometers. If you use this path, then automatically it will become 310 kilometers. Next, if you use this path, then automatically so toll gates by default, toll gates will be there. Something like it's going to provide, it's going to show for you multiple paths. Next, for every path, it's going to show pros and cons, plus or minus also. Okay, like so based on our requirement, we will choose one best path, and we will move ahead. Can I use the word multiple branches of a tree? We are going to choose one best branch, and we are going to continue that. So if you require to take a decision, observe very carefully. I'm generalizing the terminology. You require to take a decision. You have multiple options are there. Okay, you are going to choose one option or very rare combination also. very rare combination also. One option, if you want to choose among available options, then TOT is the best choice. Remember a bit very, very carefully. I hope with this Google Maps example, are you getting the basic idea?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Remember that.
Sir.
Suppose here assume that. Of course, I will execute. I will explain this prompt in our session. I want to attend Durga Sir AI sessions. Okay, offline. Assume that offline session I want to attend. Okay, so in Hyderabad I'm staying somewhere at Vanasalipuram or somewhere offline. So to go to attend this session or to go to Amirpet, I have 3 options are there. Okay, either by bus I can go, or either by bike I can go, or either by metro I can go. Okay, 3 options are there. Now I will ask her, ChatGPT or AI model, can you please let me know which one is the best for me? So identify pros and cons, and please suggest me which path is highly recommended for me. Like, best example, if you have such type of requirement, then automatically, happily, you can go for TOT prompting. Clear for you people? Okay, in this requirement, self-consistency is not applicable. Self-consistency means problem is the same. I will try for the same problem multiple answers. From all these answers, common repeated things I'm going to take. That is the different kind of thing. Are you getting my point, right? So it's a requirements observe that. Okay, I want to travel. I want to plan Mumbai tour plan. Okay, first solution, generate 3 solutions. Among these 3, most common, most repeated. Can you please let me know? Okay, in the solution, all the three strategies, common things will be there. Common things will be there, or which is the repeated things will be there. But here, so everything is the different option. Okay, then automatically, so we require to choose one option. In the worst case, very rare case, we may go for combination. Okay, but we require to go for strongest, best path. I mean, best branch we require to select, and we have to expand that. We require to continue that by analyzing pros and cons of each and every branch. Okay, suppose board meeting is there. Board meeting, board of directors. There are some decisions they require to take. Okay, for a particular decision, I want to introduce a new course in DURGASOFT. Assume that. Then automatically, my team, my board members, we said there, okay, can I introduce AI, or can I introduce quantum computing, or can I introduce, okay, full stack Python? Like, just assume that I have 3 options are there. For every option, I will ask pros and cons, pros and cons, pros and cons, pros and cons. Then automatically, best decision is this one only. Identify best path, and continue further. This type of thing is called TOT, wherever you require to take a decision. But that decision having multiple options are there, you require to select only one option, or worst case combination, then happily you can go for TOT prompting. Basic, top level, layman terminology. Are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But since
Self-consistency, the
after your-
different. Self-consistency, the different. TOT, the different. So observe the difference between these 2 things. Yeah, Rajiv, now you can ask your doubt.
Yes, sir. Since yesterday after your class, I was thinking you said branches are there. The strongest branch, the weak branch, and the weakest branch. Okay, now AI is a big ocean. So these branches will also have stems and leaves. Are we going to dive deep into that?
I mean, here that level is not there. Just it's always going to identify that. Just why the word tree. Simple terminology is what branch means multiple options are there for my tree. We are going to select one option. That is the meaning. That's why they use the tree. Okay, that's all. It's not going to think about leaf level, or it's not going to think about stem level. Like getting Rajiv.
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
the lanes will also have some other like gullies, no, sir, like small lanes and small
Yeah.
alleys. Even they will affect the traffic sometimes, the exits and the
Correct.
ramps
Correct.
like that.
So what will happen is at the beginning only for every route, assume that I want to apply my TOT to identify the best route. For every route, think about plus and minus, plus and minus. Okay, if I go this route, then automatically there are some problems are there. If I go this route, this is the advantage. Like all that, sir, what we call digging is going to be happen. And among this, for our requirement, this is the best choice. Better to go for that. Okay, like that. So based on your provided branches, based on your provided options. Okay, so for this problem, which option is the best? My AI model can think and provide why the reasons also. You can ask the reasons why you selected this, because of what reasons, because all these things are reasoning problems, right? You can ask because of these reasons. Yes, so that's why I choose this particular best option. So once I'm going for 2 or 3 examples, you will get more clarity. Don't worry. Okay. So everyone got the point. What is the TOT? Can you please confirm, friends? Please
Yes, sir.
respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So do you
sir.
want me to give 1 or 2 lines notes before going further?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, because it's going to be very helpful for you people. Okay. Yeah, just have a look once. Okay. So here TOT. What is the meaning of TOT? I forgot. Anyone, can you please tell?
Tree of thoughts.
Tree of thoughts.
Tree
Tree
of
of
thoughts.
thoughts. Okay, TOT project. Okay, so explore multiple possible solution paths before choosing the best one. Okay, like that. So it's a very simple, right? So what is the pseudocode? Here TOT in the explore multiple possible solution paths. Explore multiple possible solution paths before choosing the best one. Okay, like that. So before choosing the best one, this is TOT. What is the meaning of TOT is? So explore multiple possible best paths. Okay, before choosing, okay, best path. So means do you know, identify what options are there. For every option, pros and cons, and then choose the best option. Like, okay, suppose sometimes what will happen is, this is the most important thing. So for you people especially, suppose you are writing a Python code, okay, or Java code, any programming code I wrote. My requirement is read the data from the database based on the user requirement and provide response to the end user, okay, in HTML format or in whatever the format. Now here, at a runtime, by mistake, my database server is down. Program is going to be terminated. I don't want that. Compulsory. I require to have backup plan. Correct, right? I require to have backup plan. Plan A, or plan B, or plan C, something like that. You have multiple plans are available, right? Multiple. Among these, choose the best plan and continue further. Choose the best plan, continue further. Okay, or otherwise, best mobile case. Your requirement. Okay, I want to recharge my data. Okay, so my requirement usually you are going to tell. These are the available options. Among these available options, for my requirement, can you please provide best suitable package? Now onwards, happily you can ask, just write a TOT prompt. Yes, my AI model is going to analyze. Your requirement is so and so. For this requirement, this is the best thing which is going to be adaptable. This is the best one you can use. Like wherever you require to take a decision, and that decision has multiple options. Happily, you require to go for TOT prompting. Okay, remember that. Now, have a look once. Just here TOT in simple code. Identify the decision problem. So what is the problem first? Identify the decision problem. Create three options. Okay, create three options. Here we are going to use the word branches. Need not be three. Whatever options you have, you can keep all those. Okay. Next, for each option, okay, what you require to do is identify pros and cons. List pros and cons. Okay, list pros and cons. Okay, what problems are there or what advantages are there, like that. Next, compare all branches. All branches. Okay, choose a best branch. Okay, choose best branch. Okay, provide final decision. Plus with the reason. Okay, that's all. And then expand if it is required, and then expand that. So among these three, this is the option we are going to select, and then provide list of what activities you require to do that. If it is required, happily you can expand that branch. This type of thinking is by default considered a tree of thoughts. Okay, remember that. Sir, multiple options are available. So identify pros and cons. Okay, right. Next, do you know? So here, then you can take a conclusion. Okay, right. This is a type of requirement wherever you have. Happily, you can go for. Okay, which one is a TOT prompting? So self-consistency, TOT, complete, both the things are different. Same problem, solve 3 times independently. From those things, please take consistent thing, or please take common thing, please take a repeated thing. But here, same problem solve 3 times, no such type of terminology. So for your problem, 3 options are there. Analyze each option with the pros and cons, and then choose the best option based on your requirement. If any option is weaker, remove that. We are not going to consider. समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अजियो थोड़ा
Yes, sir, समझ आ गया.
Completely. थोड़ा. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Once we go for examples, happily you can enjoy like anything. So safe side, anyway, copy paste kind of things only. That's why let me put multiple examples so that you people can get clarity. At least one example not connected, at least another example may be connected for you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be comfortable, then only I can do that. Otherwise, what is the need?
We are ready, sir.
You're ready, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One more. Okay. One more. This note I didn't. Yeah. Just add this one. Note. Okay. When one decision can be taken in many ways. When one decision can be taken in many ways, then we can use TOT. Correct, right? I used this one. Okay. Multiple options are there. Among those, I want to choose best, strongest option, best, strongest branch. Then happily we can go for TOT. Okay. So now my first example. My first example is very interesting. Currently, one training center earning 6 lakhs per month. Okay, earning 6 lakhs per month. Institute generating 6 lakhs per month. But now I want to rise to 25 lakhs per month. That's about my requirement in the next 3 years. That's about my requirement. I will have 3 options are there in my hand. Okay, 3 options are there in my hand. Option A, increase number of students. Okay, increase number of students. So if this one is going to be best, then I will think about how to increase number of students. Okay, I choose one branch, and then if it is that branch, then I will expand further. How to increase number of students, what actions are required to take, and so on. Expand. Option 1. Option number 2, increase course pricing. Don't concentrate on students, number of students. Already students are there. Increase course pricing and the premium offerings for the same students. Some more extra things. Can you please provide? Increase the price. This is the second option. Assume that. Third option is expand it to online plus corporate training. Okay. Assume that it's currently running only in the offline. So if you want 25 lakhs per month instead of 6 lakhs, so you require to expand to online, and even corporate trainings also must be required. Assume. So how many options I provided?
3.
3 options.
3 options I provided. Now I will ask ChatGPT by using TOT prompting for these options, for this requirement. Can you please analyze and let me know which one is the best? Why you are choosing this one as the best? Please let me know. Like I can ask. Can I run the prompt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just a basic idea sake only. Don't worry at all. So that if you are seeing multiple example, then you people may feel, okay, at least one example may be connected. Yeah, I got clearly. That feeling you people may get. Okay. Here, have a look once. This is about my example, right? Yeah. Example 1. Scaling, okay. Scale training institute from 6 lakhs to 25 lakhs per month. Okay, this is. So you are a senior education business strategist. Wow. Is it a role-based or not? Respond. Is it a role-based or not?
Sir.
Yes.
Role-based. Is it a persona or not?
Persona also, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Persona. It's a persona. A training institute currently earns 6 lakhs per month. The owner wants to scale 25 lakhs per month within 2 years. Okay. Use the tree of thought reasoning method. Clearly, I'm telling better to use that. So, because if I specified, then automatically my AI model can understand what job it has to do that. Step 1, generate 3 different possible strategies. Okay. My strategy A, increase student volume. I'm providing. Increase course pricing and premium offerings, or expand to online plus corporate training. For each strategy, evaluate briefly revenue potential, implementation difficulty, risk level, time required, team dependency. Okay, like that. Next, compare these 3 strategies and identify which has highest revenue impact, which is the fastest to implement, which is the most sustainable long term. Okay. Select the strongest strategy or combination if it is required. Okay. Select the strongest strategy or combination if it is required. Next, expand selected strategy into a practical action plan, including marketing approach, team changes, automation tools, revenue milestone. Provide the final answer, best to optimize the growth plan. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends?
For
Sir.
this one, for this single prompt, we can write this all the steps, sir.
Yes.
Step was to do we need
We
to
are
mention
writing.
like that?
Yeah, of course, what I'm taking. So to make more, okay, what we call to provide complete information. So instead of A taking the chance to guess, I'm providing complete information. If you are not going to provide also, no problem at all, it will do. But in that case, a generalized answer may come, not specific answer. Srikant.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let me run this one. So total how many options are there for us?
3
Respond.
options.
3 options are there.
Yeah.
So what option we are going to get? I don't know. Happily, you can use this type of thing for your day to day. So growth strategies, tree of thought. Strategy A, increase student volume. Goal, more students every month using using stronger marketing, better conversions, more batches. Increase course pricing plus premium offering. Earn more per student by premium courses, higher fees, bundles, and job-ready programs. Expand to online plus corporate. Add new revenue channels, online courses, Zoom batches, corporate workshops, plus company tie-ups. Okay, like step 2. Evaluate each strategy brief. Strategy A. Okay, revenue potential, high, difficult, medium to high, risk, and so on. Next strategy B, pricing plus premium. Okay, like it is telling. Strategy C, online plus corporate. Okay, like so it is analyzing. Okay, how extent it's going to work. Like compare and decide. Highest revenue impact, strategy C. Highest revenue impact, strategy C. Sir, here strategy C means online plus corporate. Online plus corporate, revenue potential very high. New channels plus scalable. New channels plus scalable. Okay, like highest revenue impact, strategy C. Fastest to implement, strategy D. Because what is the reason? Already students are there. Only price we require to change. Very fast to implement. Most sustainable long-term strategy, strategy C. What is that strategy C means? So this one only. Okay, online plus corporate. So supported C, supported by strategy B. Okay, like now. So best option, strongest choice, best combo B plus C. B plus C with A support. B plus C. So use B to raise revenue quickly from existing demand. Build C to scale. B can revenue reduce dependency on walk-ins. Use A to keep pipeline strong to fill batches like that. So here best optimized growth plan. Okay, core target numbers. Okay, like so it's going to tell yes, premium classroom plus job programs 10 lakhs per month, premium classroom plus job programs, online programs per recorded courses 8 lakhs. Okay, corporate training plus workshop 7, total 25L per month. Like so, this is the marketing approach you require to take care. Conversion system you require to take, corporate outreach like so it's going to provide dot and so on. It's analysis. Okay, I told right. It's always going to select the strongest branch. If anything is required, sometimes maybe combo, sometimes maybe combo. Very rare, it may choose maybe combo. This type of thing is called TOT branch. Anywhere you have multiple options are there. You are not in a position to take the decision. Then better to apply TOT. Array, I'm going to Python batch morning at 7 a.m. But before going to the Python batch, can I require to eat idli or dosa or puri? Which one is good to attend Python class?
Idli.
Ayyo. Use ask
The best
ChatGPT.
prompt, sir.
Ask
It's
ChatGPT.
best prompt,
Okay,
sir.
use TOT prompting. I want to propose to my girlfriend. I have three options are there in my hand on February 14th, on February 15th,
Katrina
or
Karina,
on her birthday.
your favorite.
Okay, on her birthday. Okay, like so, which one is the recommended? Because you are not going to propose all the 3 days. You are going to choose only one. Then automatically, happily you can ask TOT, can you please tell your opinion on this? Okay, like wherever you require to take a decision, that decision has multiple options are there. Happily, TOT is the best choice. Can I go for next example?
Yes, sir.
Respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, most of the
Yes.
times, one strongest branch strategy, it's going to select it and it's going to be expanded. Okay, like this is. But sometimes, very rare, sometimes in other branches, if some important things are there, which may be helpful for this strongest branch, it may consider those things also. But it doesn't mean, okay, which thing is most repeated in all, that is the different approach. That is the self-consistency. Here, no such type of terminology. So observe the difference between self-consistency and the TOT. In both cases are three only. Three options are there. Three independent solutions are there for the same problem. But here, these are not three independent solutions. These are three options to take the decision. Remember. Okay. Now, let me go for one more example so that you people can understand clearly. Okay, multiple. At least one example may be connected. Okay. My next example is simple example for the students. Yeah, this example is a wonderful example, sir. What is this example is? Suppose my requirement is, assume that I completed Python. Assume that I completed Python, sir. I completed Python. Assume that. So after completing Python, can I go for AI, or can I go for DevOps, or can I go for full stack Python, like I'm asking? Then automatically, yes, you can go for either AI or you can go for full stack Django, okay, Django or Flask framework, followed by REST APIs, all those things. That's the full stack. Next, the third one is nothing but DevOps, like I asked. Then my ChatGPT, TOT, based on TOT prompting, it's going to tell, okay, either full stack is the recommended, or AI is the recommended, or DevOps is the recommended. Why? With the reasons also, it's going to tell. So, wherever you struck with the multiple options, multiple options are there, on what way I require to go, then wait for a minute, open ChatGPT, give the prompt, then ChatGPT is going to tell clearly plus, minus, and the best decision also it's going to provide for you. That is the power of TOT prompt. Can I execute this prompt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So just a
Yeah.
small
Yes, sir.
question.
Yes.
So in the chat GPT also, by default, there are some advanced reasoning like capabilities are there. So if we are going with that, we can use just like a reflection prompt instead of using this TOT, right? Because it is anyways default doing the like advanced reasoning and capability.
In the case of reflection, what will happen is, there we are not talking about decision kind of requirement. Okay, only one level thinking, only one way of thinking. Here, observe that. COT, what will happen is, you require to find the solution. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, like that. How many paths of reasoning is there in the COT? Only one
Yeah,
path.
multi. Okay.
COT, chain of thoughts.
COT.
Only
Okay.
one path. Only one path. Okay, like,
Yeah.
correct, right? Even in the reflection also, how many paths will be there? Only one path. Only one path. One path.
Okay.
Okay, the reason for that is only one solution. And then you are talking about, can you please improved version I required? If any changes are required, can you please let me know, like, how many paths are there? Only one path. Next,
Yes.
even self-consistency also, how many paths will be there? Only one path. Only one
Yeah.
path. But here, multiple paths are there for me. Among these multiple paths, which path I require to choose?
Okay. No.
Getting the
Yeah, sure,
clarity?
sir. Like, yeah. Suppose if I'm building some design document, so this might be better because there would be like a multiple ways to implement it. So it will like
Exactly.
select the way. Okay.
Multiple ways are there. Among these multiple, based on multiple options, based on multiple strategies, which strategy I require to choose?
Okay.
So
Good.
in
Thank
the
Okay.
matrix also with the different options can be used.
Yes. Okay. Sir, here let me go for a simple example to understand. Another example. Have a look once. Beautiful example. Okay. Here, just what's my problem here is, have a look once. A student completed Python course. Now confused about next step. Should be generative, AI generative or agentic, learn full stack development, or learn DevOps. So this is the common problem for the student, right? Respond at certain stage, you have this type of confusion, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, friends. Then automatically, yes, now I'm asking, oh, you are a career mentor. A student has completed Python course. Now he wants to choose the next best career path. Use TOT reasoning method. Okay. So generate 3 different career strategies. One is the go for AI, or go for full stack, or go for DevOps. Next, for each strategy, job demand, learning difficulty, time to get the job, salary potential, future growth. Can you please consider these things plus and minus? Okay, compare with these things, which is easiest to learn, which gives fastest job opportunity, which has highest salary growth. Remember this one. So compare the 3 strategies and identify which is the easiest to learn, which gives fastest job opportunity, which has the highest salary growth. Okay, select the best career path. Okay, like so. This is about my requirement. Let me run this prompt. Okay, career strategies. Okay, strategy A, AI. Okay, full stack development, DevOps. Job demand, job strategy. Here observe that AI. What it's telling? Job demand, because I told learning difficulty and so on. Job demand high and growing. High and growing. Okay, job demand is high and growing. Next, learning difficulty is also high. Okay, high. Okay, next, time to get a job, medium, 4 to 9 months required for strong profile. Next, salary potential very high. Next, future growth very high. AI plus automation plus agents trend. That's why future growth is also very high. Now observe full stack web development. So job demand very high. So many openings, consistent hiring. Next, learning difficulty medium. Next, time to get fast you are going to get. Next, salary potential medium to high, not very high salary potential. Future growth high, but not very high. Next, sir, what is the DevOps? Job demand is high. Next, learning difficulty medium to high. Time to get the job medium. Next, salary potential high. Future growth is high. Compare and identify the best. Easy to learn full stack. Easy to learn full stack. Fastest job opportunity full stack. Next, highest salary growth is artificial intelligence. Then automatically best choice, smart combination. How it's going to tell is wonderful. Here, see this one. Starts with the full stack, get the job faster, and then add AI layer to upgrade salary. Wow, wonderful. Most of the time, so my suggestion is also same. Array, I'm working already in Java side. So, sir, can I leave Java and can I go for AI? Like, no. Okay, no. I'm telling, already you have few years of experience in Java side. So, easily with that experience, easily you can enter into the Java. Easily you will get the job because you are not required to explore new things. Already your existing knowledge is good. Once you got the job, then better to migrate or better to explore to the AI side for the future purpose, future safety purpose like that. I hope are you in the position to understand?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
full stack gives a quick entry level job chance. AI gives future proof growth and a high salary, but needs a strong base plus projects. Best career path recommended full stack plus AI upgrade. Full stack plus AI upgrade. B to A. Wonderful. Learning roadmap. Okay. Strong Python plus gate backend Python dot and so on. It is telling these are the things you require to learn. This is the expanded that particular branch. थोड़ा समझ आ गया about the TOT.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. For in
Yes,
this
sir.
example, how
Yes.
can we
Sir,
treat
sir.
it as like branches?
Ayyo, 1 minute. Yama. I hope is it clear, right? It's going to tell. Okay, these are the best plan recommended path is so and so. Okay, you require to follow this one dot like happily it's going to provide. Okay, next. Yeah, Srikanth is asking some doubt. What about Srikanth?
Sir, here we can differentiate the path in the sense like branches. How can we differentiate the branches to paths here, sir?
Here branches, what options are there? Every option itself is treated as a branch. Okay. Next, these branches you require to compare with what? With respect to what factors you require to compare? If you know, you can specify. If you are not specifying, AI is going to guess and AI is going to compare with its known information. Srikant,
Okay, sir, got it,
getting
sir.
that thing? Yeah.
Yeah, got
Suppose
it.
usually, sir, these courses I'm learning, immediately in your mind, easy to learn. Very speed, I have to get the job. Next, high package must be required. High package must be required. Future growth must be guaranteed. These are the things you require to consider, right?
Correct, sir. Got it.
Yeah, that thing, if you are not providing, no problem. My AI model is going to take generalized and it's going to suggest.
Understand, sir. Like it's like a traffic. Just we are
Yes,
searching the route only, but it's
exactly.
giving all the information.
Yes. I hope it's clear.
Sir, one
Yes,
question.
sir.
Yes, friend. Yes, friend.
Sir, the previous example and this example, it selected 3 branches, right? It's a combination.
Correct.
This branch
Correct.
also it is selected 2 branches.
Yeah. Here, just observe that most of the times, decision is the strongest branch. Okay. Still, if any strong thing is missing, we require to take, because I provided my constraints, right? These are my requirement. I provided 4 or 5 option, 4 or 5 my required things also, right? My required factors to consider, right?
Yeah.
In the 2 branches strongly satisfied, that's why I consider both the things.
Okay. It is like example, the first example, like self-consistency. Example, it given 2 options and it's selected. Like, will it some
1 minute,
percentage?
1 minute. Yeah. Who is this person who is asking this question? What's your
Murli.
name?
Murli.
Murli. Yeah, Murli. Here, just think a bit careful. Self-consistency, reflection, COT, all these things are one line, okay, thinking, single line thinking. Single line thinking means you have some requirement is there. In the self-consistency, for this requirement, okay, can you please find 3 different solutions? Requirement is the same. Requirement is the same. I'm not telling that, this is my decision. Among these 3, which decision I require to take, I'm not telling. Completely different. Observe carefully. Okay, solve this problem 3 times. Most common, repeated, consistent things can you please consider is the self-consistency. How many lines of thinking is there? Single line thinking. Correct, right?
Got it. Yeah, right.
Here multiple options are not there. But TOT is the tree. Okay, it's not single line. Multiple branches are there. Every branch itself is another level or another layer of thinking.
Got it, sir. Yeah, clear, sir. Now.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
Then, okay. Now, ready to go for next example. Wonderful example, friends. Really, it's going to be very helpful for, a boy wants to reach an institute on time. But morning, he has 3 options. Okay, come by bike, come by bus, come by metro. Now he's confused. Which one? Okay, so how many options he has? 3 options he has. Come by bike, or come by bus, or come by metro. Three options are there. Okay, like 3 different layers of 3 different lines of thinking. Okay, observe. You are a logical travel advisor. A student wants to reach an institute on time for Python class. He has 3 travel plans. Use so TOT reasoning method. Generate 3 different strategies. So strategy A, come by bike, come by bus, come by metro. For each strategy evaluate travel time, cost, traffic risk, comfort, and reliability. You provided your factors. Srikant, have you observed? Right? So can you please compare bike, bus, metro with respect to these factors?
Understand.
Yeah. Now,
Understand,
so compare all 3 strategies and identify which is the cheapest, which is the fastest, which is the most reliable. So I want such type of possibility, friend. Cheapest, fastest, and most reliable. These things I require to talk. Select the best travel option. Explain why this option is the best. Provide final answer, best travel decision. Yeah. Wonderful, friend. Okay. Now, forget about the AI model. If this is the requirement, what you are going to do? What you are going to choose?
For my point of view, I choose metro, sir. Why? Because I need to save time.
Are you staying in Hyderabad?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wonderful. So if you are going to ask me the same question, what about your opinion? Means I will choose metro, because metro, listen, speed, everything is too good. Even financial also, I don't think much big difference will be there. Even auto is a very costly. Next, bike is risky. Bike is risky. So I'm always going to choose metro. Metro is the best. Next, moreover, there is another trend is there. Suppose a person is staying at Vanasthalipuram. His job is assume that high-tech city. What he is going to do is, it's a very common trend. He will come by bike until metro, until LB Nagar, and he is parking his bike there, and then he will catch metro. Happily, will reach the destination, and then while coming back, he will come back until LB Nagar by metro, and then take the bike, and then happily will go to the house. Do you know, if you go for Nagore, there is a big, almost some 10 acres land only for parking only will be there. Most of the people, they are coming near to the metro station. They will park their car or bike there, and by metro they will travel. While come back, they will take the car or bike, something like. Do you have this type of thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Sir, my
sir,
friends are
depends
doing.
on where you're
Common
from.
sense,
friends
right?
are
It's a
doing.
normal example, right? Okay. Now, in this decision, how my AI model is going to suggest for me? Let me cross check. How AI is going to think, I don't know. Okay. A boy wants, you are a logical travel planner, come by bike and so on. Okay. Best travel decision. Okay. Just at least one example may be connected. That's why I'm telling friends. Okay. Nothing. Just we are not typing also. Executing. Okay. Strategy A. Come by bike, come by bus, come by metro. Okay. Bike. Travel time usually fast for short, medium distance, but cost is the low. Traffic risk medium. Okay. Comfort medium or low. Heat, rain, pollution. Next, reliability the medium, depend on traffic plus weather. Bus. Travel time medium to slow. Travel time medium to slow. Slow, stops, waiting, irritation is going to get. Cost is the cheapest, but the traffic risk is high. Bus also stuck in traffic. Next, comfort, low or medium, crowd, standing, heat. Okay, like crowd, low or medium, comfort is there. Reliability, low or medium, bus timing is not fixed. Metros are travel time fast and predictable, fixed schedule. Cost is medium, more than bus, less than cab. Traffic risk very low, no traffic risk. Comfort is very high, okay, clean, AC, less stress. Next, reliability is very high, timing is consistent, okay, like consistent. So compare identity, cheapest bus, fastest metro, most reliable metro, because you asked them with respect to these parameters, right? Now, my best option, best combination, metro plus short bike or auto for last 1 to 2 kilometers. If metro station is near home and near institute, metro alone is the best. Wow. What a wonderful. Have you observed? Our expected decision only to provide it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, sir, if we add the source and destination, maybe it will be like more accurate.
Yes, that's what it's going to ask. If you want to add, that's why if you can provide more specific, then it's going to identify that specific things also it can answer.
Yeah.
So better to keep as much as information in your prompt, more specific information, so that you are not guessing, you are not giving the chance to the AI to guess. That is the beauty here. Getting right? Okay. Next.
One more thing,
Here,
sir. So
Yeah,
here we
one
are
minute.
giving
1 minute. If you observe, best travel, choose metro. Yeah, the main travel option. Why metro is the best? On time guarantee, no traffic tension, better comfort, smart backup. Okay, smart backup. If the last distance more, take out or like Simple rule is metro is available within 10 to 15 minutes walking distance. Metro is the best choice, like it's telling. Wonderful, right? Yeah. Now you are asking something, please.
Yes, sir. So here we are giving manually the steps. Is it like manual COT, and can we make it an auto COT kind of thing?
COT is the different. Okay. And this TOT is the different. COT case, what will happen is one line of thinking, step by step thinking, chain of thinking. Have you observed COT? But TOT means multiple branches will be there. It's nowhere related to the COT. Just by simply seeing the steps, don't conclude it is the COT kind of thing. Getting the point?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, steps, even you can remove the steps also. No problem. Happily, it's going to work. Just for readability of the prompt, just I provided clearly.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So here you did not mention the city name, right? The default it will take from the profile.
Correct.
Okay.
Generalized. You are giving the chance to the AI, generalized response is provided. Okay, suppose in Hyderabad, from LB Nagar to Raidurgam, that's my requirement, or High-Tech City, that's my requirement. Add that information also. It's clearly going to provide.
It will give metro only, sir. If Hyderabad if is selected.
Yes, obviously. Okay, so just so if you require to take a decision, that a decision has multiple options are there, then happily we can go for what? Respond. Then we require to go for what?
TOT, sir.
TOT, tree of thoughts, reasoning. Okay, TOT. 1 minute. Let me go for just 2 or 3 examples. Speedily I will execute because the required concept I hope you people already got. Next example, wonderful example, friends. Wonderful example. Okay, yeah. So anywhere decision is required. Happily you can plan for that. TOT is the best choice. Okay. So here just have a look once. Our already February 14th completed. Anyway, let me consider. A boy wants to propose a girl, but confused about when to propose. Options. February 14th, Valentine's Day. February 15th, discount Rose Day. Next on her birthday. Okay, like 3 options are there. Okay, you can't propose every day, right? All the days, right? You require to propose only once. Then automatically either first one or second one or third one, like, yeah, more specific. You require to choose only one strategy. So you are a logical love advisor. Your boy is planning to propose. Okay, 3 strategies. Strategy A, propose on February 14th, propose on February 15th, or propose on our birthday. Okay, for each strategy, evaluate emotional impact, cost, surprise factor, crowd pressure, success probability. Okay, next, compare all 3 strategies and identify which is the most romantic, which is the low cost, which has highest success chance. Okay, highest success chance. Select the best proposal typing. Explain why this option is the best proposal strategy. A small funny example anyway. Don't think in negative way, friends. Just for understanding sake, I'm taking this one. Beyond that, nothing. Okay, for every aspect of our life, happily we can use. Okay, just for that I'm telling. Okay, Durga Sir is telling this type of prompts, like, don't think. Okay, here just observe this. So what answer you are guessing, friends?
Birthday.
14th.
What answer you are guessing?
Birthday,
Sir,
birthday.
combo.
Birthday only, sir.
3 options. Combo, there is no chance at all.
Third.
Generally.
Birthday.
Birthday.
Yeah. Here what
But
will
last
happen is,
option, birthdays.
okay, 3 proposal strategies. Proposal February 14, February 15,
Not
proposal
sharing
on
screen,
birthday.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. So strategy A, emotional impact very high. romantic mood everywhere. Cost is high. Next, surprise factor, medium. She may expect something on this day. Okay. Next, crowd pressure, high. Okay. Success probability, medium to high. Success probability depends on our mindset. Some girls feel pressure. Okay. February 15, emotional impact, medium to high. Low to mid, cost, low to medium. Surprise factor, very high. Here, why the surprise factor is medium, but here high? Because it is expected thing. Have you observed? It is the expected thing on February 14. But it is the February 15, not expected. Surprise factor is high. Crowd pressure is low. Next, success probability is high. More peaceful, less pressure, more genuine. Okay, like next, birthday, emotional impact, very high, very high. It's a special day. But cost medium. Next, surprise high. Okay, crowd pressure low to success probability also very high. Wow. More experienced people are there in our session, it seems. Okay,
Yeah,
so compare and identify. Compare and identify. Most romantic are birthday strategies. See, most personal and meaningful. Low cost February 15th. Highest success chance are birthday. Okay, like so best proposal timing. So strategy, see, proposal or birthday. Yeah, experience. You people are very experienced, it seems. Yes, you guess the same.
Yes.
Okay, so this type of prompts are very helpful for me, for very innocent people like me. I hope for you people not required.
I think we allowed only TOT.
We started thinking like how Gen AI thinks are. It's like that. It's not experienced.
Gen AI power automatically you are getting. Good. Okay. So just one or two examples, I will finish this. Okay. I hope you people are in a position to understand when we require to go for TOT.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. The basic idea you have. This one is also wonderful example, friends. Wonderful example. Just because only copy paste what there. Okay. Yeah. Have a look once. Beautiful example. What it is here is just observe. Rahul has exam tomorrow. Rahul has exam tomorrow. But tonight he has 3 options. Study seriously, watch IPL match, and sleep early. Now he is confused. Okay. You are a logical student advisor. Okay. You are a logical student advisor. So which one is the recommended? Study seriously, watch IPL match, sleep early. So Rahul is in confusion. Tomorrow is the exam. Can you please tell what about your suggestion in this case?
C.
Study
Sleep early.
Sleep early.
Yeah.
Okay.
Combination of K and C.
Study
Yes, sir.
seriously,
Yes,
watch
sir.
IPL match, sleep early.
Sleep early, sir.
A and C.
Here, so for each strategy, evaluate exam performance, stress level, next day energy, risk of failure, long-term benefit. Okay, which gives highest marks, which gives best energy, which has the least risk. Select the best night strategy, explain why this option is the best, provide best exam night plan. Okay, perfect. I don't know what answer we are going to get. Mostly study seriously and sleep early.
Sleep early only.
Mostly, maybe.
A and
Yeah.
AC.
Yeah. So exam performance, study seriously, high. Next, stress level, medium to high. Next day, energy, medium. Risk of failure, low. Next, long-term benefit, high. Okay, watch IPL. So exam performance, low to medium. Stress level, low. Next, medium or next, risk of failure is very high. Long-term benefit is very low. Sleep early. Exam performance, stress level, low, high, medium to high. So compare highest marks. Strategy A, study seriously. Best energy, strategy C, sleep early. Next, least risk, strategy A, study seriously. Okay, like so one branch completely removed. What is that branch?
Watching IPL match.
B.
Watching
Watching
IPL. one branch completely removed. So I told right, either A or C, like best night strategy, best overall plan, strategy A plus a C combo. So study seriously for limited hours, then sleep early. Only strategy A, full night, can make him tired. Only strategy C can be risky if revision is pending. Have you observed, right? Only A is always a problem. Only C is a problem. Best overall policy is strategy A plus combo. Best night plan, study seriously 2 to 3 hours. Okay, do 1 hour past questions, key problem. Stop study 45 minutes before sleep. Sleep early, minimum 7 hours. Okay, why this is the best? He gets good marks because he revises properly. He gets good energy because he sleeps early. He has the least risk because he avoids IPL distraction and the last minute panic. Wonderful, right? Yes, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or any decision. In your life, you have a number of decisions.
Sir?
Can I leave this job? Or can I go for this job? Or otherwise, can I ask this much package or that much package? Okay, anywhere you stuck. Multiple options are there. Give these options. What factors you require to consider? Just add these things in the TOT. Ask TOT. Ask so ChatGPT. Array based on TOT prompt. Can you please find the best solution, best option for me? Like happily it's going to take.
Here,
Yeah.
here, I
Yeah.
mean, there is option A and C, right? That the union points are there, right? Not like a common points.
No common.
Yeah, union kind of thing here.
Correct. Because that strategy is the different, this strategy is the different. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
But in the self-consistency, it will take the common points, right?
Self-consistency, what will happen is, it is always going to, the same, for the problem is the same, solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, all these are not different approaches. Have you observed, right? Same, solve the same problem 3 times.
Okay.
Now from all these problems, common thing, repeated thing, consistent thing, can you please consider? Okay, I have mathematics problem in there, mathematics logic problem in there. Solve by using first approach, solve by using second approach, solve by using third approach. Which answer is the consistent? Select that consistent answer. Here, how many levels of thinking is there? How many lines of thinking is there? Only one line.
Yes.
But here, it is a decision making, strategy decision. Then I have multiple options are there. Can you please suggest me which option I require to take? Decision making kind of thing. Happily you can strategy management. Happily we can go for TOT. So purpose is the different. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
Guru is right. So I have one doubt.
Yes,
So
correct.
for all these strategic, like apart from TOT, let's suppose we can consider if our goal is to travel to Mumbai.
Yeah.
So I am having multiple options. So I can go for means apart from TOT, I can go others. But
Yes,
if
yes.
I have to go to either Mumbai, Goa, or any other travel destination, that time
Exactly. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.
correct? Okay.
Yes. Now what I will do is, I will ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, in my mind, 3 cities are there to visit, but I am in a confusion to which city I require to choose. My interests are so and so. My constraints are so and so. Can you please suggest me best city? Have you observed? Then automatically TOT is going to tell what? It's going to provide, assume that Goa is the best city. It's going to tell. Then I will ask. Now observe the second category. Then I will ask, Array AI model. Now I'm planning to travel to Goa. Okay, I'm planning to travel to Goa. So can you please find these are best tourist places in Goa, accommodation, hotels kind of thing. Okay, can you please provide three possible travel plans? And based on that, can you please choose a best plan? Like TOT combination followed by self-consistency.
Self-consistency. Correct.
Multiple options converted to one option. That one option, I'm going to improve best improved solution with the self-consistency. I hope are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, right? Okay. Self-consistency is one line of thinking. But a TOT is multiple lines of thinking. Observe the difference. Wonderful. Who asked this question and your analogy is perfect. Best match.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Last prompt here. Just observe that. Okay. Yes. Wonderful example, especially for DURGASOFT. It's helpful. DURGASOFT wants to increase batch capacity. You have three options. Hire more faculty, create recorded video courses, use AI tools for doubt support. Now, which is the best? Have you observed? Hire more faculty, create recorded video courses, use AI tools for doubt support. Okay, so you are a senior training institute growth strategist. Okay, generate three different capacity options, hire more faculty, create recorded, use AI tools for doubt support and automation. For each strategy, batch scalability, cost involved, quality control, dependency on the people, long-term sustainability. Okay, which allows fastest batch expansion, which is the lowest long-term cost, which is the most scalable. Okay, can you please let me know? I hope everyone in the position to answer. So, which one is the correct solution for this? Anyone?
B.
Because my requirement is increase batch
B and
capacity.
C. B plus C.
Can you please
B
guess?
plus
I don't
C.
know.
B plus
B
C
plus C,
combo.
na? Create recorded videos, use AI tools
Use
for
AI
doubt
tool for
support.
doubt support.
Oh, we are learning AI, that's why you are telling.
Just
More
like
faculties
if
are not required.
yeah, suppose if you hire more faculty, then revenue should be increased from there, your side also.
Okay.
To
Okay.
minimize that revenue.
Have a look once. I don't know what answer is going to be. Hire more faculty, create recorded video course, use AI tools. Okay, hire more faculty. Batch scalability, high, cost involved high, quality control medium, dependency on the people very high, and the long-term sustainability is the medium works, but people issues always. Okay, like recorded videos. So batch scalability very high, one course sells unlimited times, cost involved medium, next quality control high, next dependency on the people low after creation, long-term sustainability very high. Asset builds business value. AI tools. So batch scalability high, low to medium to high, medium, high, like a dot. Compare and identify. Okay. So fastest batch expansion strategy A. Immediately capacity is good if trainers are available. Lowest long-term cost strategy B. After billing, cost per student is very low. Most scalable is the strategy B, supported by strategy C. Wonderful, right? Who is telling that? Okay. So, what is the best thing we require to consider? What is the best thing we require to consider? B plus C are the core and the A as support. B plus C are the core and A as support.
Sir, most training is teach to follow this pattern, just like recorded lecture plus doubt support. To minimize that, just like revenue cost or price of the new faculty member or hiring some new trainer, also your revenue from our side also increases. That's why that is a risk
least
factor.
Option.
Yeah. That's why.
Recruiting more number of faculty is the least priority. Better to go for B and followed by C. Okay. So that's all, friends. This is about the wonderful concept what we have TOT. Okay, if we are keep on executing another 20 or 30 prompts we are going to execute, but I hope you people are getting the idea. Wherever you require to take a decision, that decision has multiple options are there, then obviously which option I require to choose? Better to go for what? TOT. Any doubt? Clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You getting sleep?
Sir,
No,
in
sir.
No. No.
sir, here what
Hmm.
I feel is in self-consistency prompting also, it is going through multiple options and giving us the best option, right? Here in tree of thoughts, they're also giving us the three options now. And in one of the three options, it is giving us the best option, like that.
Yeah. Here just
I feel both a
observe.
little bit similar.
No. You are getting confusion. Very simple. I have one problem with there. Solve the problem 3 times. Solve the problem 3 times. Among these 3 things, which things are repeated? Which things are common? Select those things and provide efficient solution. This thing is self-consistency. Only one level thinking is there, but you are solving the same problem 3 times. 3 times. But in the case of TOT, I'm solving the problem with 3 different strategies. I hope are you getting the point?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
I'm not selecting any which thing repeated in everything, which thing is common. I'm not selecting that. Okay, in this example, okay, maybe combo it to take. Sometimes what will happen is it's always going to choose only one only. Only one only, but only one selection in self-consistency is not possible. If you want, you can observe. Are you getting the
Yes, sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
In self-consistency, only one, no. If anything which is there in all the 3, such a type of common thing only I'm going to select in self-consistency. But here, strongest strategy I'm going to choose. If anything is required, then I may use as a backup plan for the next strategies also. Combo. Okay,
Okay.
here I'm not selecting which thing is repeated in all the 3. No. That terminology is completely different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, clear.
Here,
Okay. Yeah.
observe a bit carefully. Yes. Have a look once. Okay. So this is the bigger confusion for most of the people. Self-consistency versus TOT. Same problem many times. Okay, thinking type. Same problem many times. How many problems are there? Only one problem, but 3 different solutions I'm talking. But TOT, different strategies. Next, used for accuracy improvement, but used for decision making. Okay, used for decision making. Next, final answer. Majority result are common or repeated. Okay, majority result are common or repeated. Okay, like that. Next, here best path, sometimes combo. Okay, best for mathematics, logic, prediction kind of thing. But best for business planning. Okay, business planning, decision making. Happily, you can go for TOT. Next example, attendance percentage prediction or batch timing decision. Batch timing decision is like attendance percentage prediction. Okay, one problem, one thing like. Okay, maybe a chance to get the basic idea. That's it. All these, just use only one word. Simple, use only one word. Self-consistency means solve the same problem independently 3 times. And which thing is the consistent, which are common, which are repeated. Can you please take and find the final strategy or final solution? Okay, but I have 3 strategies are there, multiple strategies are there. Among these, I want to choose the best strategy. If you want to find the best strategy based on your required factors, happily we can go for TOT. Here, one level of thinking is there. Step by step, one line of thinking. But here, multiple lines of thinking is there. Every decision itself is a separate branch. select
Like
best
we can
branch and expand that branch.
Sir,
we
very
can
good
say
evening.
simple like brute force and sir, like here we can say like brute force approach and optimal approach. This is the
Yeah,
TOT,
maybe
right?
that
Sir,
big words I don't know, but anyway, I hope are you getting the concept right?
sir,
Sriram.
very good evening. Sir, very
Yeah,
good
yeah,
evening.
Santosh,
Sir,
right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, Santosh.
I am
Bolo.
Alib. I am Alib. I am Alib. My health is not good, sir. I am Alib.
Oh,
Sir,
oh.
my health condition is very serious.
Oh.
Sir, you know very well that whenever one enemy is attacked during that time, never one enemy will attack. Multiple enemies will attack with multiple directions. The
Yes.
same concept is occurring with me because of my
Okay.
because of my consciousness and my pre-planned. I just save myself. Otherwise, I'll be somewhere else within 7 days of year. Sir, whatever it may be, such kind of furious stage I have been placed.
Yes.
So whatever it may be, I am silent now, sir. I have a small thing I have to say that this TOT, that is called the tree of thoughts. That this tree of thoughts is exactly algorithm, or it is a what?
It is a what we call it a prompting technique.
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
not
this,
algorithm kind of thing. It's a prompting technique.
sir, I understand, but this prompting techniques, this TOT is used in which tools of the AI? Because a lot of AI tools.
Agentic AI.
No, sir, I understand.
Tomorrow we are going to build agentic AI applications. So there, all these prompts are going to be helpful.
Okay, we'll see tomorrow.
Yeah, need not be tomorrow. Don't ask me tomorrow, sir. Okay, like whenever agentic AI is coming, then we will discuss. Okay, Santosh. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Take care. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That's all, friends. Today, 5 minutes is this concept. I hope everyone got clearly right.